So many gathered here this morning. The snakebirds and the seagulls. Only a few more days until the powerful conjunction between Jupiter and Uranus that has not happened in 14 years. So, surprises and massive expansion happening. The time for miracles in the physical. Maybe they're gonna go and swim under the bridge. Letting go. Shifting out of the old. Flying into the new. I love swimming just like them. What a beautiful planet we are on. All these amazing species. Oh yeah. What a truly beautiful gathering this morning of these. I've never seen this like this, and I've been here very, very often. Daily for years and years. The yin and the yang, they are making a formation of that black and white. Feeling such joy in my heart as I watch them. They can swim so fast. Amazing. So incredible to be able to swim, to fly, to walk. It's just fascinating me, their movement today. Yeah. Joining forces, I hear. Joining forces. blending, merging, coming together in the hundreds. Yeah, it's actually my intention for this week. This week, until next week, Thursday, I would love to draw in around 100 people. 100 at least. 144, how about that? Who join forces with me. Well, let's do it until the end of April. But especially in this next week, in this week. Yes. This week, Jupiter and Uranus come together. Let's have the seagulls being Jupiter and the snake birds Uranus. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Really like yin and yang. I have never seen this and felt this. I am so grateful how the animal kingdom communicates with me and shows up. The whole bay is filled with these beauties together. Let that be all of us coming together through water, purifying our bodies, resetting, rebirthing, and then purifying the globe, the earth, Gaia. Yeah. The crows are there. And they are all swimming back into the bay. And off they fly closer together. Yeah. All leaders of themselves and their sovereignty, and leading each other. Not astray, but together, forward, like us. Yeah. So, let's come together in this week. It is never more powerful than now, this moment in time. Yeah. We're going onto the land now. Yeah. So I close you now, and I am awaiting you. And I'm so excited and for our now our future together and what we are about to create. That in the quantum field is already there. We just need to step into it, fly into it, just like these amazing beings, are showing us, leading us.